In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Lovable and Supabase integration. By the end, your Lovable workspace will be securely connected to your Supabase account so you can use your data and services inside Lovable without manual keys or copy-pasting credentials. Start by opening lovable.dev in a modern browser and sign in to the workspace you want to connect. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, make sure the correct one is selected so the connector lands in the right place. From the Lovable interface, look toward the bottom left and open Settings. This is where organization-wide preferences and integrations live, so changes here affect the entire workspace rather than just a single project. Inside Settings, find the Connectors section. Connectors are the official integrations that let Lovable talk to external platforms. You'll see options for different services. We're focusing on Supabase. Choose Supabase to open its connector page. Here you'll see a short description and the option to begin the secure handshake between Lovable and Supabase. Click Connect Supabase. Lovable will redirect you to a Supabase authorization screen. This handoff is important because it ensures you never share passwords directly with Lovable. Instead, you grant access using Supabase's own consent flow. On the Supabase Authorize page, review the workspace or organization that will grant permissions and confirm you're using the right account. If your team has multiple orgs or projects, double-check that the one shown is the one you intend to connect. You'll also see a summary of what access Lovable is requesting. Read it carefully so you understand what the integration can do. When you're ready, approve by selecting Authorize Lovable. If your company uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, you may be asked to verify before the approval completes. That's normal. After authorization, you'll be routed back to Lovable. The Supabase connector should now appear as connected in your settings under Connectors. From here, you can view connection details and manage or disconnect the integration later if needed. The connection uses the permissions you just approved, so any access can be changed by updating permissions in Supabase and reauthorizing. That's it. You've connected Lovable to Supabase using the built-in secure flow. With the integration active, you're set up to use Supabase data and services where Lovable supports them without extra configuration. Thanks for following along, and great job getting your integration in place.